Welcome to Armenia! My name is Anna, I am a tour guide, and in this video, guys, I will show you what you can do in Armenia, why I moved to Armenia from Russia, and how I started to do tours here. Keep watching. Right now I'm starting my tours in Armenia. 2 months ago I came to Armenia and I am in love in this country, and now, guys, I decided why not move to Armenia and start tours here. And my student Tom, he's from Norway. Hi Tom. Tom, he's studying Russian language. He was thinking to practice Russian, and he said that he can't now go to Russia, and I said, how about go to Armenia, guys? By the way, if you don't have opportunity right now go to Russia, you can go to Armenia here, guys. People also speak Russian language, so you can practice Russian language. There are no sanctions, everything available, guys. All your cards working here, Visa, MasterCard, no problem. And guys, why not? And it's a beautiful country. You can see, guys, it's September month right now. I'm dressing like this. It's hot weather, plus 30 degrees, and we are going to have today amazing tour. And my friend Arman. Hello, Arman. Guys, by the way, if you didn't watch my vlog with Arman, which I did 2 months ago, you can click here. I will share that how Arman was guiding me, and we have been visiting amazing places here, so I highly recommend you to watch it. And today, guys, I will show you, of course, something new. This is Sivan Lake. I already done video about this place. You can watch in this video which I share here. And we are going to do jeeping. What does it mean, jeeping? Jeeping means that we rent a jeep car and we will have, guys, barbecue, real shashlik, real barbecue, Armenian shashlik cooking in Armenian way in mountains. So, guys, let's go. We reached Dilijan city. So this is our jeep and we are starting jeeping tour, guys. It's so cool. Yeah, we took a lot of food. Ой, cute pie! Ой, какая большая! My God, so big dog! Oh, very big dog. I'm a little bit scary. But guys, don't worry, all dogs here, they are not dangerous. And Tom, it's your first time when you do jeeping tour?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from a tourist from Norway.
Norway, cool.
Yeah, I'm here to practice Russian.
Cool.
Yeah, and it's a good place to go. Armenia, it's absolute. If you want to learn Russian, I advise you to come here. Everybody speaks Russian.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Woo! Jeeping tour. We are starting. Yeah. Is it your first time when you do jeeping?
Yeah, I have to say, as James Bond in For Your Eyes Only. Love a ride in the country, don't you?
So guys, book your tour. Life is one. Wow. Oh my God, so hard to do vlog in this kind of conditions. It looks like this, guys. Ooh. Oh my God. I can't handle my camera. Wow. My God. I try to save my camera. It's really hard to handle camera. It's cool.
I strongly recommend annaglobaltravel. Come to Armenia. It's an adventure.
Woo! Let's go, guys, take a water. Guys, look at this, speechless. Wow. Guys, no, I don't believe. Guys, it couldn't be truth, guys. Look at this, I don't believe this, it's real. Oh my God, it's crazy, guys. Look at this, guys, it's amazing. No. Tom, have you ever seen something like this before?
No,
No?
never, never.
It's better than Norway.
It's absolutely better. It's amazing. Absolutely stunning.
Guys, by the way, if you like my vlogs, guys, if you want like my vlogs, guys, you can support my channel. How you can support? Put like, subscribe, guys. It's free, just 2 seconds. But if you want, guys, support my channel financially, if you want me to do more vlogs like this, guys, you can see in the description of the video. PayPal, Western Union, buy me coffee, donation alerts, guys. Any, guys, donation, super chat is appreciated. And guys, if you want me to be a tour guide, guys, and show you places like this, annaglobaltravel@gmail.com, I can be your local tour guide. Wow, guys, and you can see it's getting cold in mountains, guys. It's getting cold, so the high is 4,400 meters. It will be scary. Oh, scary. Guys, you can see it's getting cloudy, because guys, it's rainy, not here, but in that внизу. Here it's rainy. That's why clouds up and we don't see mountains. Наверх. Ай, боже.
Нет, не пойдет.
Не пойду. Так красиво здесь. А вы здесь живете, да, в этом?
Нет, мы корову держим, наш собственный.
М,
Внизу, если держим, да, там жара.
Там жара.
Болеет корова,
Мгм.
заболеет. А здесь лучше. Ну, уже 1,5 месяца дождь не было. Вчера дождь был. Здесь вот конца мая, июль, ходишь сюда, да, красиво вот так. Разные цветы и травы так. Вот это конца месяца здесь снег будет.
А, в конце месяца снег. Мгм.
Да, здесь выше.
Мгм. Бип-бип.
Мы здесь живем 3-4 месяца. Вниз пойдем. У нас собственные фермы есть там внизу. Зимой там держим. Здесь ничего нету. Если вот корову не держим, лошадей не держим, ничего нету работы.
Нету работы, да?
Да,
Это мальчик, да?
да. У него имя мальчик.
Мальчик имя?
Да.
Почему имя мальчик?
И
Мальчик.
так поставили.
Так, знаете, когда вот трогаешь лошадь, прям такой релакс, расслабляешься.
Да.
Когда нервничаешь, проблемы. Вот
Он не любит гладить.
А, не любит, все, не буду.
Не любит
А.
вообще.
Так.
Я тоже вот гладу, да,
Ага.
хочет кусать.
Кусать хочет.
Смотри, уши сейчас так делают.
А это не хочет, да?
Видишь?
Да, почему так уж? Это нравится или нет?
Нет,
Не нравится.
уже злое стало.
А, не хочет. Да?
Да.
Ай! So guys, welcome. You can see here, you can ride the horse. It's really cool. Спасибо. Oh, so cool, guys. You guys, so many things to do. So, oh, guys, look at this. Wow, vegetables. So, guys, now we are going to clean vegetables. You can see Anna is not lazy woman. And guys, this is the way how you can wash your vegetables. Okay. So guys, you can see what we are going to eat right now. So vegetables we have, meat. Other people say that Anna is a city woman, guys. See, Russian guys, you see Russian girls not only smart, educated, intelligent, also Russian girls, good housewives. И, guys, also we have, you see, we have lavash. Да, что это? What is it? Guys, lavash, it's Armenian bread. It's only flour and salt and water, no chemicals, no sugar, guys, very healthy. Делаю. Я вот люблю так. Так, 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 так. So fast. You know, guys, it reminds me my childhood. My father, he did it on weekends, and especially on every 1st May in Russia, we have tradition. We go for barbecue in a forest, and my father, he cooked everything by his own, and it really reminds me. Вкусно. Let's try your first.
Videos Michelin.
Guys, Tom is trying shashlik barbecue. Be careful, it's hot. And tell me, please, what is it? Something different than you try in Norway?
This is amazing.
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 What is the difference between this kind of barbecue which we have done here in the mountains, or if you compare with barbecue which you've done at home in Norway?
Oh, in Norway, like I do at home, it's more simple. But this is very well prepared.
Yeah. What is the like? It's soft or something?
Yeah, very very soft. Very
Taste is
very
amazing.
and very tasty. Absolutely, yeah. It's totally different from McDonald's.
Oh, of course. Yeah, so guys, book a tour with me, guys, and you can see what we do. We eat this kind of food. And Tom, also, you need to try ajab sandal. This one, this is ajab sandal. So, guys, and if you want me to teach you Russian language, just you will see here my email, annaglobaltravel. .ru. You can click here and you will see all options how you can study Russian language. I provide face-to-face classes. Also, you can buy my pre-recorded videos, guys, and you will be happy like Tom, guys. Yes, so you will learn Russian language with me. Tom speak really, really cool. And Tom came here to practice Russian language with local people because in Armenia people speak Russian. And guys, really cool. So welcome, welcome. Let's learn Russian. Let's travel to Armenia and have extreme tours like riding these cars, going to Sivan Lake and other things, and not only do extreme things, but you can see how Tom can stop, enjoy, yes, and eat an amazing food, guys. Look, see, everyone happy, and I'm happy, and I'm going also to try something. Yeah, guys. So this is my turn, and now let's try, guys. Let's try. So I'm going to try a ajab sandal. Арман, очень вкусно. Спасибо большое. Best ajab sandal in my life. We eat all of this food and enjoy this view. Okay, now view disappeared a little bit because it's cloudy, but no, soon it will be good. And you can see we're all happy. So guys, what happened? It started rainy and we stuck on the... look at this, guys. Guys, we can't move. We can't move. Oh my God. Guys, it's really crazy. Will we go back home today? I don't know. Guys, look at everything dirty, everything dirty here. We can't move. Guys, look at this. Help! Guys, let's see. Это нет! Это зачем? Все, это невозможно, impossible. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's impossible. We will never. Guys, we will never go. Guys, look at this. I think we will stay here forever. Да, мы хотели, we wanted extreme, but not like this. Ah, bellissimo, bellissimo. То, che si Tom?
I thought I was gonna sit in the grease all afternoon.
Yeah? They save us. Ah! Ah! Let's go boring. Guys, look at this, crazy.
Well, look at the mud we were stuck in.
Ah, we were stuck in here. Guys, let's have a look. We were stuck in here. How you can enjoy your life. And Tom found new friends. Because you guys, Tom, he practices Russian with different people, also with Russian girls. So welcome, guys, if you want to improve your Russian. Oh, guys, so we finished. Tom, what is your impression about this off-road tour, about this jeeping, barbecue, everything? What you can say?
Oh, I loved it. It was a wonderful day. But I must admit, on the way back,
Yeah.
when we were stuck in the grease, I thought we were going to be sitting there the rest of the night. But luckily, the colleagues of our Jeep driver pulled us out with a rope. So it ended good. And it was an amazing day.
It's really extreme. It's so cool, guys. If you like it, guys, if you want me to be a tour guide here, you will see my email, annaglobaltravel@gmail.com. If you want Tom package, yes, to see, you see his happy face. So, guys, welcome. Yes.
I would also say to you who don't know Armenia, it's a very nice country to visit. I would say it's like Spain in the 1980s.
Really?
Yeah, friendly people and not many tourists.
And what is the main difference between Armenia and other countries? Like, I know you have been visiting Spain, probably.
Oh, Italy, Greece. No, not Greece, but Italy and Spain. And I can say it's overflowed with tourists. It's a tourist industry, tourist machinery. But here it's like I read on a travel site that Armenia is a new European travel destination. Yes. So,
Thank you for positive feedback.
I would absolutely recommend Armenia and, of course, annaglobaltravel.
Yeah, guys.
Yep.
annaglobaltravel@gmail.com, guys, but it's not our last video. Tomorrow we are going with Tom to another tour, and it's surprise, guys. Here I will share the link. You will see this our future video, and I see you guys. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока.